Hey everyone, welcome back to IdeaPlex, where creativity meets cutting-edge tech. What if I told you there's an AI tool that can turn your selfies into movie characters, generate entire animated stories from text, and even create branded content in minutes? Meet Artflow AI, your new secret weapon for AI-generated visuals. Imagine uploading a few selfies and within minutes, getting AI-generated images of yourself as a superhero, a medieval knight, or even starring in your own animated short film. Sounds like something out of the future, right? Today, I'm diving into this insanely cool tool that lets you create custom avatars, images, and even videos of yourself using nothing but AI. So whether you're a content creator, a storyteller, or just curious about how AI can bring your digital alter ego to life, stick around because this is going to blow your mind. Alright, so what exactly is Artflow AI? Artflow is a browser-based platform that lets you train an AI model to look like you. Yes, you, and then uses that model to generate custom images and even animated videos. It calls this model your actor. Basically, you upload around 10 clear photos of yourself and Artflow builds an AI version of you. From there, you can place yourself in all sorts of scenes, sci-fi, fantasy, professional, silly, dramatic. It's like having your own digital stunt double. It's easy to use, doesn't require any technical skills, and is surprisingly accurate with how it captures your facial features. To get started with Artflow AI, first navigate to their official website at app.artflow.ai. Click the sign up button located in the left corner of the homepage. You'll then be prompted to create an account using your email address or a one-click sign-up option via Google for faster access. After agreeing to the platform's terms of service and privacy policy, verified, return to the Artflow AI website. Upon logging in, you'll land on the main dashboard where you can immediately explore tools like Create Image, Create Video, or the standout Actor Builder feature. To train your first AI character, select the Actor Builder, upload at least 10 clear photos of yourself or a subject, and wait 10 to 15 minutes for the AI to process and generate your customizable digital actor. After training, use the text prompt box to describe scenes and adjust settings like style or aspect ratio before clicking Generate to create your content. Free users have limited credits, so use them wisely. Once generated, save your work to your library or download it directly. Return to the dashboard anytime to access past projects under My Library or upgrade to a paid plan via the billing section for unlimited creations and commercial rights. For beginners, leverage pre-made templates and tutorials to streamline your workflow. It's built for creators who want control. Want a digital clone of yourself for videos? Train an AI actor? Need a storyboard for your next YouTube video? Type a prompt and watch it animate. Even better, it's designed for real-world use. Think ads, social posts, or even game assets. At the main screen is the image generation panel. Here, you choose your image style and aspect ratio and use the V2 Artflow model, their latest version. Below that are example templates. You can click to auto-generate themed images. You can enable post control using either a reference photo or director mode for more control. The text box under your prompt is where you describe what you want the AI to generate, while the exclude from image box lets you specify what you don't want included. At the bottom, you can click Generate using 1 credit per image or speed up the process by upgrading to Premium. This dashboard makes it easy to create personalized AI-generated art with minimal effort. If you're someone who wants more creative control, Artflow has some advanced tools for you too. With pose control, you can now guide your actor into specific poses, whether it's sitting cross-legged, striking a yoga pose, or standing heroically on a mountaintop. And with director mode, you can manually position your actor in the scene, adjust lighting, zoom, and more. It's perfect for people who don't want to rely purely on random prompt generation and want to fine-tune their outputs. You get 4 variations of that prompt featuring your AI actor. You can tweak it endlessly. Different outfits, locations, moods. And if you want more precision, there's director mode, which lets you control your actor's pose, size, and position in the frame. It's a great feature if you're a digital artist, comic book creator, or just want to make super cool profile pics. Now, here's where it gets really wild. Video Studio. It's where users can either start creating a new AI video or manage their existing projects. On the left, there's an option to create new video from scratch, allowing users to begin a custom video using their own script, actor, or scene setup. On the right, there's a feature called Create AI Presenter Video, which generates a video with an AI-generated host or digital spokesperson, useful for explainers, pitches, or intros. Tabs at the top let users toggle between Get Started, My Videos, and My Drafts, making it easy to organize projects. The interface is clean and beginner-friendly, guiding you to produce AI-generated videos quickly with minimal effort. This part lets you generate short talking head videos using your AI actor. You can type out a script or even upload audio, and your actor will lip-sync the words. It's not Hollywood-level realistic yet, but it's shockingly good for quick explainer videos, character animations, or story intros. I tested it by uploading a short paragraph, and the result? My AI clone staring right into the camera, delivering my message with a voice I chose from the platform's voice options. It's a little uncanny, but super impressive. Alright? So once you're done generating your AI presenter video on Artflow, this is where you land, the final preview page. As you can see, it's super clean and simple. Up here you've got your account info, and right below that, you can see the project title. Mine's called IdeaPlex. Shout out to the channel. Right in the center, you'll see the actual video with the AI presenter we picked earlier. You can just hit play to check how it turned out. Pretty cool, right? That's not a real person. That's a fully AI-generated presenter reading the script we gave it. And the quality? Honestly, it's impressive. Now down here, you've got all your sharing options. Super handy if you want to push it straight to Twitter, Reddit, Pinterest, or wherever your audience hangs out. You can even grab a direct link. Need to download it? Just hit this button and you're good to go. Want to change something, maybe tweak the script, try a new character, or fix a word that didn't land? No problem. Hit remix and it'll take you back into the editor so you can rework it. You just fix what you need and regenerate. So yeah, this is where your AI video lives after it's done processing. Ready to share, download, or rework however you like. And honestly, it takes like 5 minutes. You don't need actors, gear, or editing software. Just a script and this platform. Magic. Use Artflow's AI to create dynamic ads tailored to user behavior, personalized LinkedIn banners or TikTok ads. Capitalize on the text-to-video feature to produce short, engaging clips for social media, aligning with 2025's demand for scalable video content. Let users generate limited AI actor images videos to showcase potential, nudging upgrades for commercial use. It solves a key pain point: consistent character generation for marketers, educators, and creators. Want to take it even further? Artflow has something called Story Studio, which is currently desktop only. It's basically an animated storyboard creator. You write a short script, assign actors to scenes, and Artflow stitches it all together into an animated sequence. It's like creating a mini movie starring your AI self. You can add multiple characters, backgrounds, poses, and text, all with drag and drop ease. Perfect for storytellers, indie animators, or even teachers looking to make fun educational content. The Story Studio feature in Artflow. AI is a powerful tool designed to help users create rich visual storytelling experiences using AI-generated characters, scenes, and narratives. It combines text-based storytelling with visual scene generation, allowing you to script entire stories and then bring them to life with matching AI visuals, almost like a storyboard or animated comic. Users can build stories scene by scene, assigning characters, settings, and dialogue to each frame. It's ideal for creators, writers, educators, or marketers who want to produce short films, explainer stories, or illustrated narratives without needing animation or design skills. With intuitive drag and drop tools and smart automation, Story Studio simplifies the storytelling process, transforming simple ideas or scripts into engaging visual content in just a few clicks. So what's the catch? Let's break it down. Super user-friendly interface, personalized results, great for creators, storytellers, and influencers. First actor is free, very flexible output, image, video, animation. Overall, it's not meant to replace professional CGI or high-end design tools, but for rapid creative ideation, it's incredible. What can you actually do with Artflow? YouTube avatars or intros, character design for games or books, TikTok content with animated clones. Basically, if you've got a creative idea, Artflow gives you a digital twin to help bring it to life. So there you have it, Artflow AI is more than just a fun AI toy. It's a powerful creative playground for anyone who wants to put themselves into the digital spotlight. Whether you're building your personal brand or just having fun imagining new identities, Artflow makes it all feel easy and exciting. If you want to try it out, the link's in the description. And if you do, let me know in the comments what kind of scene you drop your digital self into. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a creative friend who totally nerd out over this tool. Until next time, stay curious, stay creative. This is IdeaPlex, signing off.